everybody, it's Jay here at the Auto House in Naples, bringing you another one of our vehicles we have for sale. This is a really sweet truck, super fun to drive. The folks that built it did an excellent job. It's got air ride suspension, it's got airlift, you can level it up and down. Really neat truck. Trying to do things a little bit different, just trying to give you some overview of what the truck is, and then I'll walk around it. I don't know, my camera skills are a little shaky, so I'm hoping this works better this way. Then I can get the information out, and then I can kind of walk around it and kind of show you the truck, and point some things out as I go around it. But it is a 1966 C-10 short bed stepside, as you can see. Great trucks. They started making these in 1960. I think they made them through 66. They made a fleet side, flare side, whatever you want to call it. Made that as well. So I don't know. I like the step sides. Gives a little bit different look. It does have a Chevy 350 small block in it. It is bored. It's cammed. It's got Thunder Comp cams. It's got the Holley Sniper F1 fuel system in it. Aftermarket Headman shorty headers. Truck's got a really good sound to it. Like I said, drives great. The air ride suspension on this truck, you'd almost think you're driving in a little bit newer truck, but does have a custom exhaust. Like I said, it does have the airlift, air ride suspension. It's got a no limit engineering rear end. Brake work is CPP 4-link disc brakes with drop spindles. The custom tail section, you'll see when I walk around it. They made a nice little spoiler for the back of it. That's custom made. Kind of gives a little bit of a NASCAR look in the back there, I think, but you know, that's just me. It's got a custom hood scoops on the front of the hood, of course. And then the quick release tailgate's on the inside, makes it nice. The French LED taillights are kind of a neat little addition to it. It's got new race fuel cell in the back, that's in the bed. And then the wheels on this truck are they're 1552 Turbo Max. They're 20-inch wheels. Those Nitto tires are Nitto, I don't know how you say that. Nitto? Who knows? Nitto, call it whatever you want. 245 45Z R20s on it. And like I said, it is a C. GM differentiated the C's and the K's. Obviously a C is a two-wheel drive. The K is a four-wheel drive. This is a C. Does not have air conditioning. Got a nice ventilation system in it. Having the windows open, I mean, we're in Southwest Florida here. I think I need to mention that because a lot of people always say, where you at? Where you at? We're in Naples, Florida, Southwest Florida. So we're on the Gulf side of Florida. We are about 3 hours south of Tampa. So we're just a little bit outside of the Everglades, really. So interior features on this truck. Oh, also it's got 373 gears with limited slip differential. It's a Yukon is what it is. It's got a custom leather bench sheet in it. The headlight bezels on the front, as you see when I walk around it, they're custom, and the complete interior is a custom dash. Got new gauges and everything. It's got a Kenwood Exelon head unit in it, and with an American Auto the Auto Wire wiring harness too. So it's got a raised bed frame, which is pretty sweet. I kind of like the look of that too. So let me take a little break here, and I'll walk you around this truck. Keep in mind, we do this for a little bit of fun, guys. We're not. I'm not Steven Spielberg. You know, all you keyboard warriors that want to beat everybody up on their information and how they're doing and how they're not doing. Wow, you know, like I said, we're just doing this for fun. We're trying to showcase our trucks. We're not here to showcase feet or short dresses or nothing like that. We're just here to show our cars and have a little fun while we do it. So if you have any questions about them, always call, always send a comment. We're always happy to help. You can look at this truck. Pictures should be up probably online today at autohausfl.com. That's AUTOHAUSFL.com. And like I said, if you have any questions, just call. We're more than happy to help you. We do ship these vehicles all over the world. So like I said, we're here to help. Give me just a minute here, and I'll give you a quick walk around here. All right, there's a shot of those wheels and tires I was telling you about. As you can see, they've done a great job with this truck. It's one of the cleaner ones I've seen. I've not seen every truck in the world, but I've seen a lot of them in 20 some years in the car business. See those custom headlight bezels, pretty nice look to them. This truck looks kind of sweet, I think. It's kind of low and fat. Obviously, I said it, like I told you, it does have the air ride suspension, and it's got the leveling on it too, so you can kind of put it wherever you want. Interior wise, super clean truck. I don't know, I'm kind of the old school guy where I like kind of the old look. I don't like all the new stuff that's put in them, but sometimes it's kind of cool to see this new stuff as well. See if I can open this up, show you the air system in it. Vi-Air. As you can see, it's all new wiring. This is a full resto, body off restoration, so fuel cells in the back there. Doing something a little different today. We're actually at JetBlue Park, where the Boston Red Sox do spring training. Thought it was kind of cool maybe to have a green truck and have the green monster in the back there for all you Red Sox fans. But really cool stadium. That's what you're seeing in the background there. The Red Sox, they'll come down here and do a bunch of spring games. Like I said, this is one of the cleaner trucks that I've been around. They did a great job on, sorry, there's a little, looks like a little smudge there in the window. Sorry about that. It's hot down here in Southwest Florida. Lots of sweat marks everywhere you go. But as you can see, it's a clean look to it. Solid old pickup. Like I said, it's one of the funner ones I've driven lately. You get a ton of thumbs up going down the street, and you get a lot of people taking pictures. I put gas in it yesterday, and I had 3 or 4 different people ask if it was okay to take pictures and videos. So it makes somebody a really nice truck. It's ready to go. If you want something to cruise around in, something to go to the car shows with, or just show off, it's super cool. So as I always tell you, look us up online at autohausfl.com. That's AUTOHAUSFL.com. Or you can call us too. We're always happy to help answer any questions. If you want any extra photos, look online or call us too if there's something we're missing. You know, we're not perfect, so give us a holler. We'll take pictures of anything you want or videos. So that's the 66 Chevrolet C-10. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. All right, everybody, I'm back. It's gonna be a pretty quick ride along, whatever you want to call it. Ride along. Let's call it a ride along. So this truck's pretty cool. Like I said, it's got a lot of neat features on it. It's actually got a battery disconnect right down here. You can kill the whole thing. Start the truck. Obviously you got a fuel pump in it. You can hear that fuel pump kind of just run a little bit. But truck's idle smooth. Down here on the floor, you can kind of see right here these switches. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. That's how you power up. I'm gonna hit that switch and show you where your air pressure gauges here are at. The truck needs to be, not needs to be, but really likes to be up in that 70s in the front and in the back in the 30s. Hopefully you can kind of see the back go up here. That usually likes to be down in the, a little over 30. And you can adjust it as you see that number's moving. All I'm doing is just playing around with it a little bit. You want to let the air out of it, you can. Just got to be careful where you're at. Get out here and I'll give you a look at. It does have a air ride suspension button here too. You can kind of hear that running a little bit as you're driving the truck. Like right now you can barely hear it. But it's got all new switches on it. 2-stage wipers. Wipers work really well. Headlights are in there. It's got LED switches too for the front, so if you just want running lights, you can just turn the running lights on, or you just turn the headlights on there. Jump out here real quick and give you a shot of what it looks like. A little different look to it, but not much. Hear that air compressor running back there. That's for the air ride. You don't have to have that on, but I noticed when I was out there it looked a little bit light in the back, so I'll look at my gauge there. It shows it's about 20, so I need to put a little bit more air in there. I want that over 30. There we go. Over 70 in the front. So well, let's take her for a little drive here. You won't hear me talking. Not with this exhaust. Good air pressure. The system on this is done really, really well. I don't know if I can get across here or not. Welcome to Southwest Florida traffic. It's dandy. I need to tighten up. Yeah, I do. You can hear it a little bit whining. But as you can see, this thing, I mean, I've got my hand on the steering wheel here. This truck has got a really nice ride. They've done a really nice job with this air suspension on it. We're gonna have this probably on our website the next few days. We're probably gonna have it at $64,900. Obviously, we're like every other dealership in the world. We do take offers, reasonable offers. everybody, that's about all I have for this truck for now. Pictures should be up online at autohousefl.com tomorrow. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we appreciate all your business. Take care, bye. Hey, all you cool cats out there. That sounds so dumb. Noticed editing my video that at the end of it, it just cut off. What I was trying to say was, if you have any questions or ever need any help, please call us. We're always happy to help you out. Or leave a comment, a nice comment. We'll get back to you. And the other thing too I noticed in that video is the speedometer. It's kind of funny. It shows I'm going like 100 mile an hour and people are flying by me. So I was going about 55 or 60 and noticed we had a speedometer issue. So we brought it into the shop here and we just got it fixed. So also one thing, I don't know if I said in the video, but I wanted to clarify. The truck has a 350 turbo transmission, 3-speed. I think I may have said 4-speed, but either way, thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for all your business. And as I said earlier, if we can help you with anything at all, just give us a call. We're always happy to help you out. Hope you all have a great day. Stay classy. Naples.